Good job, Jeremy.
Can I help you up a little bit?
Hey there.
Hey. Excuse me, we're out for a nice little hike. Or nice little... Hi, Hannah. You climbing? Did you go down already?
Yeah, she did.
You guys let me know before you go down. I want to do some videotape. Okay, Jeremy, I'm watching.
Whoa! Coming my way.
Want me
Boom.
to go get it for you?
You want to come down, Jeremy, or have Lucas do it?
I'm gonna go fast.
Wow.
Wow, Jeremy, that was something else.
Go, Hannah.
Hey, Hannah. Wave to Mommy.
You sure you want your jacket on, Jeremy?
Lucas, slip me down. Mommy, okay. You sit like this.
Here he comes, just like that. Ooh.